Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about frames and I love Canva. So frames are nothing but places where you can add your pictures. These are just like grids, but these are different. A grid covers the full canvas, but a frame doesn't. A frame, you can resize a frame to match your size to the size that you want it to. You can have different kinds of frames like this one. Not a lot of frames that Canva gives you, but frames are different than grids, and it's important to know a frame can be resized, and but a grid cannot. So I'm just going to drag this image over to this, and I'm going to drag this. Oops. I'm going to drag this over there so you can get it in the shape that you want it to. Again, if you don't like this thing, you can go crop and select the part of the image that you want to see. Click done. So it's nothing but grids, but yeah, again, as I told you, you can have only small pictures there. That's it. These are not meant to cover the full screen, the full canvas, but these are meant to be placed in one corner where you have to put an image or etc. And moving on to the next thing, that is I love Canva. And this is something that Canva added recently. So I love Canva. So it's basically their logos, their taglines. You can, all this is about Canva. You can add them if you wanted to. I don't really use these things, but yeah, but if you want it in some of your presentations, maybe you can always use this feature that Canva gives you. Alright, that's it with elements. In the next video, we'll talk about text, which is quite important because a poster needs to have some text on it, usually. And in the next coming video, we'll talk about backgrounds and we'll see how we can upload our own pictures to Canva. Alright, that's it in this video. I'll see you in the next one.